Number 40. Wait. Drop sa ilalim. Okay. Wala. 18 seconds shot clock. 18 seconds shot clock. Stop. Number 50. 12 to shoot. Steal. Number 40. Ready, guys? Shoot. Di shoot. Terapas. Nyeban. Lah. So may ball. Time remaining 9 minutes exactly. 2 shot. Ball line number 3. Wala. Pasok. By number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Binigay kay number 22. Great. No good. Pero sayang pa din. Official score. 3-2. Five number 3. 3-4. Number 11, Mumalik. Wala. Limon Nieva, 2. All 5. Number 14, 12 to shoot. Number 15, 3. Number 14, 2. Uy. 15 to shoot. Two. Number 11. 15 to shoot. Pinasa sa labas. 8 to shoot. Out of bounds. Bola mapupunta sa akin. 6 minutes and 50 seconds.
Bola.
Terapa sa ilalim, still number 40. Pass to number 01, Gonzalez. Touchdown. Official score, still 11-7. Number 11, tinigay kay number 6. Number 6. Wala. Number 3. Mom, layup, no good. Wala ba din? Six minutes remaining. Number 11. May namumunta. 25. Bicycle moves. Binigay kay number 11. Binigay kay number 15. Trapas. Still by number 5. Binigay kay Emma. Foul. Number 40. First personal foul. Second team foul. Pasok. Time remaining 5 minutes and 37 seconds. Pasok. 2 out of 2. Full of game. 2. Nieva. Binigay kay number 5. Wala. 0-1. Pinabatayan. 2 defense. Mandatory change 5. Binigay kay number 3. Binigay kay Sir Ron Parzo. Really? So good. Binigay kay number 01. Gonzalez. Lea. Touchdown. $21. 15 to shoot. Binigay kay number 3. 10 to shoot. Wala. Uy. Rebound ni number 9. Binigay kay number 15. 15. Pass to number 25. Binigay kay number 14. Parson 3. No good. Pinagis kay Sir Ron. 2. Official score. 15-11. Side step. Grabe naman yun. Oh, 15 to shoot. Number 40, stop and bounce. Put back. Wala, may one lang. Number 9. Binigay kay number 01. Great. Gonna pass. 8 to shoot. Traveling violation.
Tack in, pare.
Three minutes remaining. 15 to shoot. 3. Number 23. 15 to shoot. 25 side set. Jeremiah foul. Foul number 24. 21. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots. Foul by number 25. 3. To shoot. Fifteen to shoot. Foul number
Technical
01.
sa ano, mata.
Labas muna
Ano,
kayo
King?
sa 3-point line.
Ganon? Technical na yun?
Hindi ka tinamaan.
Ha? Hindi, kahit hindi tamaan. Basta ginanon mo sa...
Ball on the line. Confectionery. First personal. Wow. One minute remaining. Three. 45 seconds. Fifteen to shoot. Seconds. Traveling violation. 25 seconds. Waiting. 15. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Buzzer na lang. Official score, 20-70, 3-point lead para sa Confectionery.